Welcome to the Car Truth. Today we're stepping into serious territory with the 2026 CAT D11 Custom Military Edition Motorhome truck, a colossal fusion of raw Caterpillar power and tactical military engineering. Originally designed to move mountains, the D11 has been transformed into a war-ready overland beast, wrapped in bullet-resistant armor and loaded with next-level survival tech. This isn't just a motorhome, it's an off-grid fortress. Asterisk from the outside, the CAT D11 Custom Military Edition looks like a vehicle built for the apocalypse. Finished in matte combat green with Kevlar-coated panels, it features bulletproof windows, heat-resistant cladding, and retractable armored shutters. A wide, menacing grille is flanked by dual infrared LED headlights, while the front is dominated by a 40,000 lb winch, bash bar, and tactical tow system. The CAT logo is stamped proudly across its beastly jawline. Asterisk, the truck rolls on 56-inch heavy-duty, run-flat tires mounted on reinforced military-grade axles. The adjustable hydraulic suspension system has been engineered for battlefield conditions, offering up to 30 inches of articulation. Mounted on top, you'll find a full tactical roof rack system holding solar panels, external storage crates, thermal cameras, and a deployable drone pad for aerial scouting. Asterisk, climb into the cab, and you're greeted by a command center, not a cockpit. Pilot and co-pilot sit in high-back ballistic seats equipped with 5-point harnesses, climate control, and independent oxygen filtration. The dash features military-spec screens with satellite navigation, threat detection, engine analytics, and encrypted comms. Everything is sealed, shielded, and ready for extreme conditions. Asterisk, step into the living quarters, and the environment shifts. Designed to support long-term off-grid missions, the interior is a mix of utilitarian toughness and essential comfort. Padded insulation lines the walls, while rubberized flooring resists weather and wear. A compact, multifunction sofa converts into a bed, and the 4K smart display is connected to a full-spectrum antenna system. Asterisk, the kitchenette is fully armored but practical. Electric burner, combo microwave oven, deep sink with water purification, and a high-efficiency freezer. The modular design allows for lockable compartments, all lined with shock-absorbing foam. A water storage tank with UV filtration sits beneath the floorboards. Asterisk, the rear compartment holds a twin-bunk setup with blackout, privacy curtains, USB charging ports, built-in rifle lockers, and an independent air filtration system. The wet bath is waterproofed, featuring a marine toilet, hot shower, and antibacterial surfaces throughout. Asterisk, under the hood lies the heart of the monster, a CAT C32 12-cylinder diesel engine producing a mind-blowing 1,500 horsepower and 3,000 lb-ft of torque, paired with a reinforced 6-speed heavy-haul transmission and a 6x6 drivetrain. It powers through anything from collapsed roads to steep rocky climbs. For more videos like this, Car Truth.